Once you're logged into the application designer, simply do a file open and choose the component interface, and then enter in a component interface that you'd like to open. We're going to open in the delete role, and once you open that, you'll see the component on the left hand side. You get the breakdown of the component, which includes all the records, the scroll levels, and if you can expand each of those to get more detailed information in reference to fields. And on the right side, what you're looking at is the component interface view, and that is the actual delete role component interface, along with the find keys, get keys, properties, and methods. And this is how you access a component interface, and you're able to bring over other objects into the component interface that are not currently exposed. So what you see here are existing properties, and you have one particular view that is exposed. But if you wanted to bring in additional properties or information, you simply highlight what you want to bring over and drag it over to the right hand side, and it will populate and bring over the information and properties for what you just brought over.